So I'm in room 812 at the Charles De Gaulle Hilton in Terminal 2. We got upgraded to a king executive room. So you walk in and there's closets. Right when you walk in, the first closet has ironing board and safe and a hairdryer. Then the second one has robes. And this hotel does have a pool. Then we have a refrigerator, an ice bucket, and then a little tea station. And then we'll come up this side, there's a bathroom with a shower stall and just your normal toilet. There are slippers up here too. There's a phone in the bathroom. And then a shower with a wand and sink. It's well lit in the bathroom too. So then you come into the bedroom, and I think that's a king bed, maybe. Little suitcase holder. There is no top sheet, but little lights next to the bed. It doesn't look like there's outlets right next to the bed. There's some on the floor here, but there is a phone. And you have these funky chairs. And then a TV desk area. And then this little sitting area. And then there's more closets behind it. So I'm going to try to figure that out. It's kind of interesting how it's positioned. But then you have big closets back here for storage. And another one, although they don't have a pole, but so yeah, this is our room for one night at the Charles De Gaulle Hilton. Oh, and the view outside. So we are on the top floor, and our view is the airport. And you can kind of see the planes taxiing, coming, going. And then the rest of the hotel there, which also has a little courtyard, probably on the 3rd or 4th floor-ish. And yeah, pretty nice room for one night here at the Hilton Charles De Gaulle.
Fermeture des portes. Rez-de-chaussée. Ouvert.
So while there is no one in the changing room, so there's lockers in the changing room, little bench, bathroom, big area to get ready, and showers, and then it goes out to the pool.